Hercules. Anyone see where that aircraft is actually approaching from? You're training your eyes around. Can't see it yet. In fact, if we now look out to the east, ladies and gentlemen, we may see it soon to appear. There, ladies and gentlemen, the C-130 is commencing its initial run. The C-130 is one of 5 Hercules which is operated by number 40 Squadron based out of Wanaka in Auckland. See the aircraft coming past for a low-level pass at approximately 240 kilometres an hour. Its full flap extended and is approximately 5 to 10 feet above the ground. I've seen the rear power door was open with the crew, second the loadmaster waving. The aircraft is today being flown by Flight Lieutenant, reducing the flap setting to 50% to reduce the aircraft jag, and they've changed the aircraft configuration to that used for load dropping. The loadmaster has lowered the cargo ramp, and as the aircraft comes past, you should be able to see the 2 loadmasters on the back cargo ramp waving. So you can see them there. Give them a wave, ladies and gents. You can see now coming in a bank turn with the cargo ramp extended. And there they are, the 2 sitting on the back, on the view. Giving approach angle for those who've not seen it before. At the bottom of this approach, Flight Lieutenant Black will carry out a maximum effort landing, and this is going to demonstrate the excellent short field stopping characteristics of the C-130. The Hercules has a superb anti-skid braking system, and when that's used in conjunction with full reverse of the 4 engines, enables it to stop in some very short strips. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, quite a short stopping performance there of the Hercules. This is used to get effect recently in operations in Suai, the 40 Squadron, was operating in 1999. One of the things like the target state of the others that working on the another maximum performance takeoff. The aircraft is powered up against the brakes, and once the engineer has verified the aircraft is ready for takeoff, they'll release the brakes and accelerate down the runway. Again, this maximum performance takeoff is most useful for operations in very short strips. Now, the RNZAF C-130s are used for strategic and tactical short to medium range transport and cover such diverse roles in 91, Somalia, Rwanda, Kosovo in 99, Bougainville, East Timor, and most recently within Iraq and Afghanistan. There's also an ongoing summer commitment to the New Zealand Antarctic program, which sees 40 Squadron personnel flying the 8-hour trip to the ice along McMurdo Sounds and the ice shelf. Now the aircraft coming past for another good photo opportunity with a low banking pass. The Hercules was one of the first heavy lift air transporters, and to put its capabilities into perspective, it can carry a...
No, I might better.
As they come in for their landing and taxi back to their station at the east end of the runway. Yeah. Give them a round of applause and a